Hey, John Caberman. I'm going to show you here. Let's say you bought a Micro 90 like this and you want to switch from 1 to 2 colors. So one of the things you're going to need to do to make that happen is you're going to have to replace the 1 color cliche support with this much bigger, much heavier 2 color cliche support. So first thing you need to do is remove the 2 M6 by 25 screws that you've got. Hold this with one hand, just loosen them first, and you can work this off. Then remove these. Get that out of the way. Now you've got your 2 color cliche support and you have a spacer block. So if you look here on the back of the support, you have your 2 pins. There's 4 hole locations, 4 screws. The spacer block goes on here like this. This is machined off in one corner. I don't think it matters if you put it right or left. You just have to make sure the spacer block is on the pins. For the 2 color holder, you got 2 M6 by 40 metric screws. And what you want to do is use at least the 2 outside holes. And just like I did, well, as I did on the first holder, it's slotted so you can slide it onto the pins. This one doesn't work that way. You can't slide it on, they have to go through. So you locate these 2 holes to these 2 pins. Hold that one up there and go to the outside 2 holes on the holder. There's the one closest to me right now. Get that one started. Come out here to the opposite side. Outside most hole. Get that one started. And then tighten them up. So that's removing a 1 color cliche support, installing a 2 color cliche support on the Micro 90. Thanks.